With Microsoft Loop being a fantastic hub for communication and productivity within our team, and Microsoft Planner being a fantastic resource for project planning and task management, let's put the two together. Let's take our plan and embed it into our loop. So, what we're going to do is inside 365, we go to our apps and we find our all apps so we can get to our planner and our loop. All right. So, we're going to start with our planner and we're going to take our URL up there and copy it. So now we have that copied, and then we go to our loop. And inside of our page where we want it, inside of our worksheet, we paste it. And then voila, it embeds that planner into that page. Now there's another way you can do it too. If you click on the plus, it's going to give you the menu that pops up. You can scroll all the way down to Microsoft Apps. And down here you see Planner. And by clicking on that, it allows you to find out, which plan you want to insert into there this way. I just happen to like the copy paste method myself because I can see the plan, what I want to embed just right away. All right. And that is how you embed a Microsoft Planner into our Microsoft Loop. Now, the one next step you can do with that is you can create a Loop component, and now that component is just the link, right? So that's not, you can't embed that into a component, but it's a link to that plan that you can then take that component and put in other places. So just so you know, it's not a component inside of there when it's embedded. It's in the page itself. When you make it a component, it just turns it into a link. All right, enjoy.